Welcome! I am Luis Albert Aban, and today we delve into the fundamentals of instruction set and programming. But what is a programming? Programming is the process of creating and designing sets of instruction that a computer can execute to perform a specific task or to solve a problem.
NANI?!
So, in programming, there is assembly language basics. So, this assembly language is the mnemonics and symbols bridging the gap between human readable code and machine-level instruction. It is also a low-level programming language for microprocessor and other programmable devices. It is the most basic programming language available for any processors. So this is the example of assembly language basic. Assembly language low-level programming language intended to communicate directly with a computer's hardware. So the next type of programming is the instruction types and formats. Instructions can be categorized into various types like arithmetic, logical, control transfer, and data transfer. These instructions are represented in memory through specific formats outlining the structures of operations, registers, and immediate values. Just like the high-level language C++ programming, there's always a format and types to construct a code. Like for example, the conditional statement like if and if-else, and also the different data types and integers, variable, and characters. So that is also the example of types of formats of a programming. Another types of programming is addressing the modes. Addressing modes dictates how operands are specified in instructions, whether immediate register-based or indirect or index. These modes offer flexibility in accessing data and performing operations. Addressing modes in different programming refers to the different ways you can specify the operands for instructions, just like for example, x is equals into 5, y is equals to 10, z is equals into 15. It immediate addressing the modes or declaring the modes. So that is the example of the addressing the modes in programming. So for the last types of programming is the simple program development. Creating a program in assembly involves breaking down a problem into smaller tasks and translating them into assembly instructions. Debugging and testing are integral steps in ensuring the correctness and efficiency of the program. So just like for example, we create a program and we need to debug it repeatedly for us to know the different errors that our program has. So we should not stop debug it. And so for the conclusion to my report, so assembly language serves as a foundation language for programmers. It offering insights into how computers execute instructions. The mastery of this basic opens to the door to efficient and precise programming at the machine level. So that would be my report for in this video, and I hope you learned something.